Imagine that every day you're excited and filled with so much energy and creativity. Sounds great, right? You feel amazing in which there were more hours in the day to do everything that you want. What if I tell you that it is possible, and I'm going to share these 3 tips that I've utilized to achieve this. Tip number 1 is passion. Now, most people are working to get paid. They're not working for their passion. However, in order for you to be successful, you have to love what you are doing, or at least understand the reason why you're doing what you're doing. Now, if your business model is designed to make you money, then it's no different than working for somebody else if you hate what you're doing and you're not making any money. You could easily just be working at a 9 to 5 at that point. Keep in mind that the average person spends 1/3 of their day at work, which is a significant amount of time. So it's really important that as an entrepreneur, you choose to do something that you're passionate about. Tip number 2 is time management. To achieve your goals, you have to know how much time is needed to perform the job so that you know if the ROI is worth the time that you're investing in. If you are spending more time on a project than the profit you're making, that job's not worth your time. And that's going to create burnout in your business. You can avoid burnout, but you need to be realistic with the tasks at hand and consider outsourcing those that are taking too much time from running your business and helping you make money. You can also shift your business model if something isn't working. It's never too late to make a change. When you learn to manage your time properly, you will get the highest return on your investment. Tip number 3 is charging your worth. When you're experiencing burnout, it is always good to evaluate your rates as needed compared to the workload that you have. If you're not charging your worth for your products and your services, no one is going to offer to pay you more. People care about results and desires, however. So if you're fulfilling their needs, they will pay your rates. Don't be fooled into thinking someone won't pay more because it costs more. Always charge your worth. Your time is valuable. Your service and your product is valuable. Now, if your burnout still persists after you've identified your passion, outsourced jobs, and adjusted your rates, it's time to level up your workflow. Chances are you're bored and burnt out because you're using an old system that isn't bringing in sales anymore. Or maybe it's just not bringing in consistent sales anymore. If it doesn't work, it's time to fix it. When you attract effortless cash flow and clients to your business, you don't constantly feel burnt out from work. You feel energized, you're excited, you can't wait to get to work. You do not need to reduce your rates or take on multiple projects to make money. At the end of the day, you should love what you're doing and have the freedom to do the things that you want to do. I hope this video inspired you with ways to take action today to shift your business and avoid burnout. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. I will see you on the next one.